Okay, I'm going to do one more example here. Now, this example is actually very similar to a question out of Heinemann's VCE Zone Math Methods 3 and 4 textbook. So I have taken the idea of the question from there. It is just one of my favourite questions, just because of the way that it's worded. It's quite hilarious. So, you know, I just love in this question that the pig instinctively knows that the horizontal displacement of the mug in the microwave can be modelled by P of t equals 15 sine pi t plus 2 on 6, where pt is displacement in centimetres and t is time in seconds. Anyway, so firstly, find the initial position of the mug. Oh, and just again, this video will probably go over the 5 minutes, so it'll probably be 2 videos again. So find the initial position. Well, initial position means time equals 0, so we're just going to solve p of 0. And that's going to be 15 sine, now when t equals 0, it's going to be just 2 pi on 6, which is pi on 3. And, well, look at that, sine of pi on 3 again, which is root 3 on 2, so it's 15 root 3 on 2. And that's measured in centimetres. We could, again, turn that into a decimal. I'm going to leave it as an exact answer in this question. Just because I think that, you know, we should be leaving things in exact answers in most cases. Sketch P of t for t is an element of 0 to 10. Okay, so I'll set up my axes again. There we are. So that's time, and P of t, the displacement. Okay, it's 15 sine, so it means that it needs to go up to positive 15 and down to negative 15. What else is there to do here? We probably need to know the period of the function, and also the fact that it is moved by 2 units to the left. So that could come into play here. So the period in this case, sine function, so it's 2 pi on n in this case is pi on 6. So again, we have a period of 12. And, you know, that's measured in seconds. So I'm going to actually put the negative 2 there, and then just have 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. That's as far as we actually need to go. We are only sketching this from 0 to 10, so I'm only going to use this here as sort of a starting point. So the t plus 2 moves the graph 2 units to the left. There's no vertical translation, it's a sine graph, so it will actually start here. It has a period of 12, so 12 units later it's going to finish up at 10. And halfway between looks to be this value of 4 right here. So these are the places where it's going to pass through. The maximum should occur halfway between the negative 2 and the 4, so at 1 it should have its maximum value, and at 7 it should have its minimum value. Okay, so the graph, it starts here, it's going to come up here, it's going to pass through somewhere up here, and it's going to then continue up to the maximum point. It's going to turn around and it's going to decrease down through there, and it will then curve back up to here. So I should label these key points. So we have 0 and 15 root 3 on 2. We have 4, 0. And we also have 10, 0. Anyway, that's it for this video. I'll just have to finish it up in the last video.